Hugo opens an old book. A letter falls out. The letter says, "I am sorry, but it was never sent."
Did you ever want to say sorry, but you did not? Tell me in the comments, in English.
It is a quiet Saturday morning. Hugo walks into the old bookshop near the harbor. He picks up a big book from the shelf. He opens it, and something falls out. It is a letter, an old yellow letter inside a small envelope. A letter. You write a letter on paper. You put it in an envelope and you send it. Say it with me. A letter. An envelope. The paper cover around a letter. The shape of this envelope is soft and bent. It is very old. Say it with me. An envelope. Hugo opens the envelope carefully. Inside, the writing is small and blue. I am sorry. I made a terrible mistake. I was too proud to say it. Please forgive me. To forgive. When you forgive someone, you stop being angry. You say, "I forgive you." Say it with me. I forgive you. There is no name on the letter, but on the envelope, Hugo sees a street and a number. 14 Rose Lane. Someone wrote these words a long time ago, but the letter was never sent. To send. I send a letter today. I sent a letter yesterday. Sent is the past. Say it with me. I sent a letter. Why was this letter never sent? To deliver. You bring something to someone. This person wanted to say sorry, but they could not send it. Maybe I can deliver it. Say it with me. To deliver. Hugo walks out with the letter. The morning sun is warm on the harbor. He walks to the bakery near the market. Excuse me, do you know Rose Lane? The old man shakes his head slowly. Hugo walks on. He sees Nina at her tea shop by the water. Nina, do you know a street called Rose Lane?
Rose Lane? No. But wait, my grandmother talked about a street near the old hill. The name changed a long time ago.
Hugo looks at the letter again. The envelope has a strange shape. Maybe 30 or 40 years old. Maybe Rose Lane does not exist anymore. Maybe the letter can never arrive. Hugo almost gives up. He stands near the old stone wall at the harbor road. But then he sees something. A small metal sign, half hidden behind a plant. The letters are old and green. Hugo pushes the plant to the side. Rose Lane. The old street is still here. It is narrow and quiet. The houses are small, and the shape of the roofs is old and round. Hugo counts the numbers. 10, 12, 13, 14.
Number 14 is a small blue house with a wooden door. The number is faded, but Hugo can read it. He stands at the door. His heart beats fast.
Hugo knocks. 1, 2, 3 soft knocks. For a long moment, nothing happens. Then, slowly, the door opens. An old woman stands there. She has white hair and kind eyes.
Hello, my name is Hugo. I found something, and I think it is for you.
Hugo gives the letter to the old woman. She takes it slowly. Her hands shake a little.
She reads the words. Her eyes move slowly.
And then she smiles.
Do you know who wrote it?
The old woman looks up. I know. It was my sister. She made a mistake a long time ago. She was too proud to send this letter. But I always knew she was sorry. I forgave her a long time ago. The letter waited inside that book for many years. It was never sent. But today, it arrived. To arrive. When a letter arrives, it comes to you. Say it with me. The letter arrived. It is never too late to say, I am sorry. Hugo walks back to the harbor. The sun is higher now. He feels different. A small mistake from long ago, a letter that waited, and now something heavy became light. It is never too late to deliver the words you need to say. Let us look at the new words. A letter. Hugo found an old letter inside a book. An envelope. The envelope was soft and old. To send. The letter was never sent. To arrive. But today, the letter arrived.
To forgive. The old woman forgave her sister.
To deliver. Hugo delivered the letter. And our useful sentence. It is never too late to say, I am sorry. Now, listen and repeat after me. I found a letter inside a book. The letter was never sent. I want to deliver it. She forgave her sister. It is never too late to say, I am sorry. Listening is the first step. Speaking is the next one. When you are ready to say the words to a real person, the links in the description can help you start. Now, 3 questions about the story. Question 1. Where did Hugo find the letter? He found it inside an old book at the bookshop. Question 2. Why was the letter never sent? Because the person was too proud to send it. Question 3. This is about you. The old woman forgave her sister, even after many years. Is there someone in your life you want to forgive? Say 1 sentence in English. The letter arrived very late, but it arrived, and the old woman smiled. And you? Is there someone you want to say sorry to? You can start with 1 small sentence. Write it in the comments. In English. I read every one. You did something good today. You listened to a whole story in English, and you understood it. Your ears are ready. So here is a small next step. Do not only hear the words, say them out loud to a real person. The links in the description are there for you. They are free to explore. You know, this story is about something that looked too late, but was not. In another story, Yara made a cup with a crack. Everyone said it was broken, but one person saw something beautiful in it. Did you see it too? That story is waiting for you. New stories come every week. Subscribe and tap the little bell so you never miss a new story. It is never too late. See you next week.